Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So today I'm making this kale salad for our prepped bowls. I like for the prepped bowls to last at least 3 to 4 days. So I use a lot of different salads with light dressings that consist of like olive oil and apple cider vinegar. So as these videos play, you will see each component that goes into the salad will be posted on the screen, including those that you don't see get added because some of the videos I had to kind of shorten for the sake of time. But the dressing is basically olive oil and apple cider vinegar, and then my seasonings are like sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Once I got done, I just put the lid over top of this, shook it up, and then, opened it up and stirred it really well. And then I did not oversaturate the salad with any dressing. I just kind of coated it lightly, and it's still very flavorful. Everything's still crunchy. I mean, even after 3 days, it still tastes good. Everything is still very firm. So that's the end of the kale salad. And then the next one coming up will be the pepperoni and mozzarella, which has very similar ingredients as well. I try to make these salads paleo friendly, but quinoa is not paleo friendly, and neither is cheese, but I make some exceptions sometimes, so stay tuned. Okay, for this next salad, it is pepperoni and mozzarella, and a lot of my ingredients I get from Aldi. They have a lot of really good fresh produce and a lot of good cheeses and whatnot. So I've diced up some mozzarella cheese, and then I've also taken a bag of pepperoni and just cut them into strips. And then I had to pull them apart because pepperoni is kind of oily and they tend to stick to each other. So I had to kind of pull them all apart and stir it up really well. Again, all the ingredients that I'm putting into this salad, even the ones that you don't see me put in there, are going to be posted on the screen. This one I had to toss really well manually. Towards the end, I added olive oil to kind of loosen it up, let everything slide off of each other. And then I seasoned it really well and set it off to the side. Looks like here I'm doing a bunch of talking. I have no idea what I was saying at that time because I had to shorten this video. So I had to cut some of my stories down and whatnot. But anyway, needless to say, you have all the ingredients here that are going to go into it. Some of the ingredients that I used in the previous salad I'm using here, which is good. That gives me a chance to use everything that I bought and prepped prior to. These cucumbers that I have in there, they are the smaller cucumbers that are like pickles. And I cut them into 4 slices and then I dice them up. I like those smaller bite-sized pieces as to getting the larger cucumbers. The skin on those cucumbers tend to be a little tougher on the big ones, so that's why I like the small ones. Makes them crunchy and you don't have to fight with all that skin. So there's all the seasonings that went into it. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I prep my bowls coming up. Okay, coming up, here's my table showing everything that's going to go in the bowls. There's red, orange, and yellow pepper sticks. Then there is the spinach salad that you saw me prep. And then there's the mozzarella and pepperoni salad. And then also, you didn't see me cook this, but this is roasted sweet potato, apple, and sage salad. Then I have extras that I like to put off to the side for the protein, which is this is Cajun shrimp. Then I have a seasoned salmon, which I've cut up. And then there is some feta cheese. And then there is some hummus. So I will show you the end result here coming up in these last few pictures of how all the bowls turned out. Again, thanks for watching.